Hey guys, today we have Amazon Echo Dot for unboxing. So let's get started. So let's directly start with unwrapping. In the box on the top we have the Amazon Echo Dot. It's in the grey color. Then then we have some warranty card and some paperwork. Then we have a big lid to open in which we have one more paperwork. Then we have the power adapter itself. So here are the box content. We have the Echo Dot, a 15-watt power adapter, then we have some paperwork. So let's unwrap the Echo Dot. Going for the physical overview, on the top we have four buttons: volume up, volume down, Alexa on off button, and Alexa on and off button. In the speaker grill we have the power adapter and the audio in and audio out. At the bottom we have rubber grip to hold it stable to the ground. To set up your Amazon Echo Dot, you need to download the Amazon Alexa app. Then what you need to do is go to your devices, add device, Amazon Echo Dot, third generation. It should be showing an orange light. So this is your Amazon Echo Dot. This is your Wi-Fi, and that's it. Your setup is ready. Here is the Amazon Echo Dot setup. The box contents were very simple. So let's get inside the specifications. It has 360-degree surround audio. It has Wi-Fi 802.1 A1 ABGN support including 5 GHz. It is a hefty package with a weight around 300 grams. Now let's test out Alexa. Alexa, what's the weather like?
Currently, in New Delhi it's 22 degrees Celsius with scattered clouds. Tonight, you can expect mostly clear skies with a low of 19 degrees.
Alexa, how is the traffic nearby?
Right now, traffic on your commute looks pretty clear. The fastest route takes about 26 minutes via Bharthal Road and NH48.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did the pencil shave? It wanted to look sharp. Subscribe to World in One Go.
The final reason would someone buy this Amazon Echo Dot is for audio. So let's try it out. Alexa, play Savannah.
Savannah, from your library, starting now on Amazon Music.
Stop. So as you could hear, the audio quality is good. One of the major pros of this device is that it can listen Alexa from very far range. Now I have removed the power adapter so it is not hearing. Otherwise, if you consider the range might be nearly 15 to 20 feet. The next major pro that Amazon Echo Dot has is its volume. It is really good for a single room, and if you are planning to put it in a hall, you might be putting the volume about 75%, but that's enough for a very loud place. The volume is very high. There are certainly few cons in this device, like there is no play next button or no back button. So every time you need to turn on Alexa or ask Alexa to do it for you. The second major problem is with the power adapter. You can't fit it everywhere. If you are planning to put it on a multiple socket, you need to buy a separate adapter for it. Third major problem with Amazon Echo Dot is that it doesn't have any battery. So once you remove the power adapter, you cannot use it. It's not very portable in that means. Now with the Alexa app, you can do a lot of stuff with the new Amazon Echo Dot. Like go to your Echo and Alexa Echo Dot. You can change your audio levels. You can go and change your bass, your mid range, or tremble, and you can do a lot more. You can even directly call to your Echo Dot. Hello. So, from all you heard, we can conclude Amazon Echo Dot is the best device for audio playback and hardware and software in the budget range of 4000. It on deals if you can get it till 2500 with a free smart bulb. To buy Amazon Echo Dot, links are in the description. You can go and check it out.
Bye, have a great time.